Hi everyone. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my class. This is the first lesson in the series of videos that I have prepared for you. We are going to talk about me today. So in this video you will learn some vocabulary related to people and jobs. Let's get started. Okay. Welcome to the first video. It's actually the first lesson in the book. The very first thing you should do when you meet someone is introduce yourself. You say, "Hi, my name is," and then you say your name. "My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." You can also say, "It's nice to meet you," or "I'm glad to meet you." Let's move on to the next slide. Here you will learn some more things about me. I'm from Poland. I come from Poland. There's my country, okay? I am Polish. By the way, if you are watching this video and you would like to support me so that I can make more free lessons for you, please consider supporting me by buying one of my online courses. In my courses, you will learn a lot of useful stuff, and you will also learn a lot of grammar rules which I cannot explain here in these videos because we don't have enough time. Courses are available at our website. Let's get back to the lesson. As I said before, I'm from Poland. I live in Poland. Here is my city. I live in Warsaw. I live in a city. I don't live in the countryside. If you live in the countryside, you usually live in a house, but I live in a flat. Here it is. This is my flat. Look, I have got a kitchen. I have got a bathroom, a bedroom, and a living room. That's it. I live alone. I don't have any brothers or sisters. I'm an only child. I have got parents. I have a mother and a father. They live in another city. I work at a school. I'm a teacher. I teach English and I really enjoy my job. I like my job because I like working with children. Children are great. I also like reading books, swimming, and traveling. I love traveling. I have been to many countries around Europe and I've got a pet. I have got a cat. I have a cat. Her name is Puszek, which means fluff in Polish. Fluff. Puszek. Yeah. She's a beautiful cat. She is black. She is big. I love her very much. Unfortunately, she doesn't like water. But let's talk about me no more. Now it's time for you to talk about yourselves. Okay, here is your homework. You are going to write 3 sentences about yourself. For example, my name is, I'm from, I live in, I have a, I'm a. You can also write about your hobbies. I like, I love, I hate. Okay, so you need to write 3 sentences about yourself. Please send me a photo of your written sentences to my email. Okay, I'm waiting for your photos. And now let's talk about something that is very important, numbers. We use numbers every day. For example, when you go shopping, you need to count money. You need to know how much something costs. And when you are talking on the phone and the person on the other side asks, "Who is calling?" you need to say your phone number. Today you will learn numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, let's start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you know all these numbers? Very good. Now I'm going to show you some of these numbers written in Polish and I want you to tell me what they are in English. So let's see. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. You know them very well. We can move on to the next slide. Here I have prepared some activities for you. Activity number 1. Write down all numbers from 1 to 100. Write them on a piece of paper. You can write them in Polish or in English. It doesn't matter. You can use this piece of paper to learn all these numbers by heart. And you can also cut each of them out and stick them on the walls around your home. Then you will learn numbers while doing everyday activities. For example, when you are washing dishes, you can look at the number 1, then wash the dishes and look at number 2, wash the dishes again and look at number 3, and so on. This activity will help you remember all these numbers. Activity number 2. You are going to draw small pictures next to these numbers. Okay, for example, next to the number 1, you can draw 1 apple. Next to the number 2, 2 bananas. Next to the number 3, 3 oranges. 4 chairs, 5 tables, and so on. You can also ask your family members to do this activity with you. And activity number 3, you are going to write down your favorite numbers. Ask your friends what their favorite numbers are and why. For example, my favorite number is 13. Many people think that it's an unlucky number, but I was born on the 13th of September, so it's my lucky number. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video and joining my lesson. I hope you enjoy learning with me. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, like, and leave a comment to motivate me. Until I see you in the next lesson, take care.